Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome into Wacky Wednesday. I am your lovable, cuddly host, Sweet Bobby. How are y'all? Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We've got DB in the house. We got Make the 111 Great Again. We got Matt Jolly Wally, and we got Victoria. Victoria, Victoria. That ought to be a song. So, welcome in, and everybody. Hope you're having a great day. And I'm a little sweaty. I'm a little winded. I've been trying to get my 150-pound Great Pyrenees into my 2011 Nissan Rogue to take her to a grooming appointment. And that is the most stubborn dog. And I pulled and I pulled and I shoved and I tugged and that dog just would not get in my car. So I had to cancel her appointment. But I am sweaty in the July summer trying to get a stupid Great Pyrenees into my car to get her groomed. So when she's hot and sweaty and she's got all this hair on her stuff, don't blame me. And when people say, "Oh, that poor dog, that needs grooming," well, listen, I tried to take her, right? And she just won't go. So welcome in everybody. The markets are not doing much today. We're really flat again. It's like we're waiting on a catalyst, aren't we? And something's just not working. We had a little bit of downfall in the market when Trump threatened to fire Jerome Powell. I think that took us some red candles a little bit, but everything's just kind of just not doing anything. VIX is up a little bit, 17.92. The AD is negative 58. And if you'll recall yesterday, what did I say? Toward the end of the day, we'd probably see a sell off. And indeed we did because the AD was negative 300 and something. We probably will not see that today because the AD is only negative 51. AD high was 302. The AD low was negative 271. Look at that. That was the low of the day, negative 271. And we've gone back up to negative 51. And yet the market is flat. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Let's go look at the big green monster. Big green monster, we're hanging out. Look at this. We did go into the fair value zone on rumors that Trump was going to fire Mr. Powell. I actually think that Powell's done a pretty good job. Am I a defender of him? I mean, should we lower rates? Remember, we said that our target was 62.12. Well, danged if we didn't get to 62, 40 or so, and our target was 62.12. So we anticipate that we might go down to this level within the next 10 days. But we do have the point of control right here, which is acting as a magnet, and it will kind of pull price that way. So we got a magnet here, we got a magnet here, and probably if you had a probability cone, it would look something like this, and probably wavering down just a little bit. All right, let's look at our friend, the linear regression channel. I finally figured out why I didn't have my linear regression channel on here for the last few days, and it's because I was not logged in. So once I logged in, the linear regression looks good. We are up, 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 and away. I tell you, I saw Maria Bartiromo yesterday on Laura Ingram's show, and y'all, the economy looks really good. It looks really good. And it looks like the tariff pressure that we've had, prices were up slightly last month, but it looks like everything is pretty much orderly. And I don't know, I think greener days are here to stay. Well, not to stay. We're always going to crash at some point, right? We know the crash coming, but I just don't see it coming in anytime soon. I think we're going to be okay. Now, Dwayne asked if when I was going to get back into the 111 and 112s. I am back, baby. I am back. Let's see what we got here. Here we've got a MES 111, 112. We're up $3.62 on the thing. How about that? Look at us. How does Daddy rock it and roll it? But this time, I'm sitting here saying that I can be a lot more selective. Right? We got one on. I want to see a good down day, maybe a 0.5% or 0.4% or something before we put on another one. And I'm just going to pick my spots. So we are going to make the 111 great again. We're going to do those just fine. Now, you notice something strange here that I've got HIMS here. And the reason being is because I went long 300 shares in scalping those things, and those things are down $475. So what did I do at the end of the day is I sold 3 calls. Now, this was a strategy that was shown to me by Mark. You'll hear me talk about Mark a lot. And he day trades HIMS, and I did a day session with doing that too. And it's working out pretty good till it didn't. And so now I'm a shareholder of these, and I got a 3 day, now a 2 day call on this. If it doesn't go up and this doesn't go up to make a profit, then what will I do is I will take my money from the covered calls, and then on Friday I will roll these out sometime to next week and keep collecting premiums. So I've kind of got the wheel going on, right? I got the wheel. I've actually owned shares, except I didn't sell puts to own the 3 shares. But now it's a covered call. So, and then we've got our bill that just keeps doing what Bill does. I will tell you this though, we did check, Mark checked with tastytrade, and now apparently some way on the thing here you can purchase treasury bills. So I don't know why I would do that again. I really like Bill, but I think you can do treasury bills directly from their platform somewhere. I need to figure out how to do that. And also, they are waiving that. They're not charging that $25 fee. Remember, they were charging the $25 fee. And they told Mark that to be competitive, which they need to do with uh, TD Ameritrade or whatever it is now, Schwab, that they had to drop that fee, which is good. Low fees are good for us. On the scalping front today, it's been really, really good. Let me show you this. We've scalped. Oops, hold on, let me close that. Got it open here. We have scalped and we are up $90, baby. Remember that all my trades have been profitable. I'm 100% profitable. My average trade time is 19 seconds. I've been in the longest trade for 49, and we're up $90. And remember, my goal is $100 a day. If I do $100 a day, then I will more than double my $15,000 account. We will see. So right now I put 15,000 in there. Don't laugh. We're at 15,204.80. And it's been a process. And if you look at my charts, you'll say, Bobby, what in the world do you have going on here? A lot of stuff, right? And it's not a lot of stuff. This is not linear regression. These are just Fibonacci's that I've drawn, and really just kind of been taking some of these signals here when the signals look good. Buy when it says buy, sell when it says sell. And a lot of these signals, like if you've taken this buy signal here, right? Now you're sitting there going, well, it probably didn't flash the signal till about there, and you're like, oh, I probably need to short from there. But no, it was a very, very good signal. Then we got a sell signal that didn't work out well. Then we got a buy signal that did okay. Got a sell signal did okay, and then a buy signal that did okay. So you don't take every signal, but you just kind of look at different things. You look at the MACD and the Big Mac, as we call it, and you look at CCI and you look at the momentum channel and say, well, what is the momentum doing on the stock right now? Momentum is bullish, right? MACD is green. I probably would not take this sell signal, right? Because this is green, this is going up, and the momentum is green. So probably not take the sell signal, but I probably would take the buy signals, right? Based on some of these things. And that appears to be working out good. I think when I eventually scale up to the minis instead of the micros, you sit there and go, man, we're up $90. That's $900 on the micros. When will I scale up? When I get a little more comfortable with the strategy. So right now I'm trying to put the pieces together. So I'm not an expert, but when we get it together, baby, we're going to do really, really good. So we got the 111 going. We got covered calls going. We got the scalping going. We got a lot of things going on. So we're glad that you're a part of it and that you're tuning in. And I hope that you have a good rest of your day. And I will see y'all tomorrow.